A 1, 2, 3, 4. I love succulents and you do too. They're so beautiful, fun and new. The gift that keeps on giving on and on. So watch my videos, we'll all have fun. Here are my shutters. It's a closet door, really, and I bought it for $5. I don't know what I'm going to do with it yet, but I'm going to put it in my garden as an addition to the decorating. So this one I already cleaned. Cleaning this next. My husband cut it, the bottom, and this is the top. So just got cut in between, right in the middle, because it was too tall. For my next trick, I'm going to paint this trellis a goldenrod color to make the eye go up when you're looking from over here. To lead the focus up, because it's all like down here. All the plants are going to be down here, and there's nothing to make the focus go up. So I am going to do that. I'm going to paint it a goldenrod color. This red is already making the eye go up when you first look. See, it's really blank, so we need something exciting in the background. So I'm done with the trellis. It's now yellow and I like it. It actually leads the eye up, not only down, like looking at the plants down there and all the other accessories. It now pulls your eye up because of the color, and I'm not done yet because all of this is going to be addressed as well. So just stay tuned.